taught me how to solve a Rubik's Cube.
No way.
It's got PLL, OLL,
All the L's.
F2L.
Okay.
All the L's, yeah?
Okay.
Now this book taught me how to do it, and it taught me how to solve the Rubik's Cube, so not just the L's. So it taught me how to do the cross and stuff like that.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Now I'm just going to mix up this cube here, okay?
Yeah.
Now you know that there's 47 quintillion million ways to solve a Rubik's Cube.
Yes, I do, yes.
And do you know, the more you mix up a Rubik's Cube, the harder it is to solve.
Yes,
So
I've
I
heard
just
that.
mixed that up really well, so it's even harder.
That's well mixed. Yeah.
Now I just want you to say stop anywhere at all.
Okay.
Okay?
Stop.
There.
Yeah, I'm happy there.
Which one?
That one right there.
That one. Okay.
Shall I hold the box for you?
Yeah.
Book for you. Thank you, Anna.
Like that.
What? No way. It matches. Look at that. Green, orange, white, blue, yellow.
Yeah.
What about this? Oh, that's right.
Strip of yellow.
Strip of yellow. There's
Strip of
orange, blue,
Little one.
red, green. What about that side?
Well, that.
That was there. Green, yellow, red, white, orange. That's perfect. That's absolutely brilliant. Love that.
Okay, now that's fair, isn't it?
Yeah, that's very
That's
fair.
fair. That's fair. Now I'm just going to solve it by one shape. Watch this. What's that? Well, that was one shape, but it's solved, yeah?
Yeah, that is solved. Yeah.
Solved, yeah. Solved. Now you know whatever happens to the cube happens to the book.
Really?
Look at that.
What?
It happens
Show them.
to the book. It happens to the book. Whatever happens to the cube happens to the book.
That's
So the
crazy.
cube's solved. That's solved. That's how the match works. Because it's the same thing. Because whatever happens to the cube happens to the book.
Now you've just confused me.